what's going down. Now, we know, well, some of us know, we're all electrical beings, right? All right, so you ever thought about why they spray the air with aluminum? You ever thought why they spray the air with aluminum? When, if you see, okay, so let me show you. The earth is like a magnet. The atmosphere, or it's electrical, magnetic, all that good stuff. Now, if you have electricity in the sky, you have aluminum in the sky, and then you know that you can manipulate the magnetic pull of the earth, whether it be positive or negative, then there's some very interesting things you can do. Now, imagine that, okay, so metal is a great conductor, so is water. You see why the metal, the water, the magnet, and electricity would be really strong. All right, so do you ever think that maybe they spread the sky so you can't see what goes over it or what's in it? Then on top of that, you know that aluminum rusts. You know, when copper doesn't rust, copper turns to this bluish, greenish color. And gold is a great conductor of electricity. But copper, I think I want to say copper is a better conductor. It's like if you take, like you ever see how people get the little magnets and put them in a little thing? Okay, so everybody also works like that. You have a positive side and negative side. If you take and you put the magnets close enough, if it goes fast enough, it'll continue to push it. So that's just like, you ever notice how when you have the two magnets, the thing just bounces back and forth and does like that? Well, that's because two opposing forces are pushed against each other at the same amount of pressure. So it can't go past a certain thing. But if you turn the other side and you have a whole bunch of them, it'll continue to let it pass through and let it go faster and faster. Now you got to see, how does this work with people? All right, so you ever notice people wear the copper bands, the copper fit, all that copper stuff? You have the liquid silver, liquid gold, and so many people are attracted to gold. Well, like I said, they're also great conductors of electricity. Plus, it catches your eye. You see where I'm going with this? You know, it's multiple things you can do. And then you're, what, 75% water, something like that? And then you're already magnetic and you're electrical when you add all these things together. And then also you add in the masculinity, femininity aspect, and then the animal and higher self and connecting to the earth. You know, then you sit there and think why they call soul a soul, but you have a soul in you, but rubber stops electricity. You know, but someone to drop something on you, you know, you could possibly use, but it's a great, beautiful day.